Hello, today let's talk about Hindu Divorce Act. In India, marriage is not just a contract, but it is a sacred bond. But what happens when that bond breaks beyond repair? Under Hindu law, divorce isn't taboo, it's a legal right. Let's explore how the law handles separation, dignity, and justice through divorce. Marriage under Hindu law is considered sacred, but sometimes relationships reach a point where continuing together just isn't possible. When that happens, the law steps in to offer a dignified way out. So, how does divorce work under Hindu law? Let me break it down for you. First, there are two main types of divorce: contested divorce, mutual consent divorce. In a contested divorce, one spouse files for divorce on specific legal grounds. Now, what are the grounds for a contested divorce? Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, lists several reasons. Cruelty, whether physical or mental; adultery; desertion, at least 2 years; mental disorder, conversion to another religion; renunciation of the world; or if a spouse hasn't been heard from for 7 years or more. A landmark case here is Naveen Kohli versus Neelu Kohli, decided in 2006. The Supreme Court recognized that mental cruelty alone can be a valid ground for divorce, even if there's no physical harm. But what if both partners agree to separate? That's where mutual consent divorce comes in. Here's how it works. First, the couple must have lived apart for at least 1 year. Next, they file a joint petition in court. After that, there's usually a 6-month waiting or cooling off period. If both partners still agree after this period, the court grants the final decree of divorce. However, in 2017, the Supreme Court changed things up in the case of Amardeep Singh versus Harveen Kaur. The court said that if the marriage is irretrievably broken, the 6-month waiting period can be waived. This makes the process even faster for couples who are sure about their decision. To sum up, Hindu law allows divorce on clear legal grounds. Mutual consent divorce is usually quicker and less stressful. The law aims to ensure dignity and respect for both partners, even in separation. Divorce isn't the end, it's a legal path to dignity and peace. Thanks for watching. Made by Jenish Bhanushali, Division D, Roll Number 181, Family Law 2 Project.